Live? Yes. Welcome. And in today's episode, we got Gemini 3.0 Pro, and the question is it just another IDE, or is it able to do some things that other vibe coding tool can do easily? So that's what we're going to be answering today. So we got a basic simple game prompt. I want to give it, and we would see how it performs, and also see if we can actually easily drive the AI to create something that is practical and useful. The thing is, with Google product, they seem to know how to build it very well, where an average non-technical person can use the tool. So let's get into it. So I'm going to load up my Gemini, and we are going to go to Google Studio, and I have a prompt I got from a newsletter. I'm going to input and see what it comes up with. So I think banana, Gemini Flash, recent, latest model, a hybrid model. Okay, so I think we'll go with Gemini here, 3.0. Yeah, so we've selected that, and I'm just going to get the prompts and just paste that and see what we create. Paste. So the prompt reads: using Gemini 3 to build cool games. Create a polished, retro, futuristic 3D spaceship web game contained entirely within a single HTML file using 3JS. The game should feature a synthwave and retrowave aesthetics with the following specifications. So it has details of the visuals, dark, immersive, 3D, all the details in there, glow intensely, environment. So we've just described the game, how we would want it to be. The gameplay mechanics has also been explained. The point is, we need to see how it handles this and what it will build. So I'm just going to one shot it, give it the prompt, and see what it comes up with. If we can actually play this game. Boom, let's go. So that would take 600 tokens, was it? My token did go down there. Is it? No, yeah. Input tokens 600, output tokens 0. 620. To be honest, I'm not sure if this would actually is enough to build something. Let's see. It's doing the right thing. It's using HTML tags, and it's using the file formats that we have described. You know, the thing with this, I like it because it just goes straight into building. There's no faff involved. It's creating what you said it should do. So let's see after a couple of minutes if it has finished the build. Meanwhile, I got some other video on this time we can look at X. My X, go to my X. Okay, so let's go to my saved items. In fact, I think we should go back to this because I don't want to overload the system, and hopefully it should complete in no time. And we'll go back and forth and check it to see if it has bookmarks. Alright, let's review this. We've got another humanoid robot. I like these humanoid robots because they're quite interesting, and I want to see who wins the race between the US, China, or the European countries. But it seems we already know the obvious answer, who is going to win the race, but let's see which one would people gravitate towards more, especially in terms of the technology, the cost to consumers, and we're going to look into that to see. I'm paying close attention to that to see who does it best. So let's review this video. It seems like it's two videos together. Which one will you take home? Videos are not in sync. I'm just going to mute it and just see what it's doing. So the coffee making robot seems, let me see. Okay. Oh, this is dangerous though. I mean, you have the 1X robots grabbing a sponge and running the tap to clean himself, to clean his hands. Yes, you can say robots can do that, but the danger in having a robot apply water to itself, it's just going to ruin the warranty if there is any circuitry, any short circuit in the internal components, because I'm sure it's not really waterproof the way I'm seeing it. Maybe I'm wrong, but it doesn't look to me as a waterproof product, else it would be going outside. So that's another thing we need to consider. And then it could cause spark in the homes, which could ignite on the sofa and lead to some other spark, and the building could burn. So we need to, the building could catch on fire. We need to be sure of the safety with these things in our homes, because as much as we want them in our homes, we need to be concerned with the safety precautions, take safety precautions, which I think it should be one of the major selling points for these, because who is going to be held liable to any damages to homes or properties or life? So that's another good point we need to be focusing on. And for this one, I don't really think I like that one, because it just looks so robotic, whereas the other one looks more human-like. Would you trust these to make you a coffee? Would you Would you rather do it yourself? Which one of them would you pick? For me, I know I would be picking the 1X one. It looks cooler, it looks more human, and it seems more gentle in the way it looks. However, it could be your choice to go with the other one. So let me know in the description what you think. Let's go back and check the game if it's still cooking though. It's still cooking. Gemini is still cooking this. So anyway, let's carry on with another review. Let's see what this is now. Let's review. So it's designed to be a trusted co-worker. Let's see. Okay. I think I will do a special review for all these robotics and just compile them into one video. So this one reads, German Agile robots officially launch Agile 1, their first humanoid. The bot is focused on the core concept of physical AI revolutionizing industrial use, designed to be a trusted co-worker alongside humans. Here are the key specs for this life-size industrial bots. Height 5 feet 8, weight 69 kg, speed 2.0 miles per second, payload 20 kg. Payload is quite good. Hardware highlights include sensitive 5-finger hands with integrated force tensor sensor for delicate and powerful tasks, and intelligent vision for superhuman spatial awareness. The bot's intelligence relies on layered AI model, slow planning, fast action, low level control, trained on real world European industry data. Initiatives HRI. What does that mean? HRI. What does HRI mean? What does HRI mean? Copy. Let's see what's next. Paste. What does it mean? What does it mean? Human robots interaction. Inhuman robots interaction. Okay, I know that now. Include responsive eyes and a chest display. It is central to its design. Manufacturing in German starts early 2026. I'll reach out to this company and see if I can partner with them. Anyway, when the German machines get into the markets, I don't know if they're getting in late or they're getting in the real time, in the best time possible, because we all know it. The Chinese ones are going to even have more technology, as well as be more cost effective for end users. So let's review this video and see what it's all about. The work on these robots are interesting. Agile one, its work is interesting. The steps it's taking. This video is not, it's not the best. Let me put it in a smaller frame. Right. The agile one, it looks superior. It looks well built. My problem is it looks quite slow in its implementation of anything. It looks as if it's taking its time to get to anything it wants to do. Would you prefer to have these? Because all I see it doing is bringing you the parts it needs to. You need to assemble the product. Why don't you just have it do your product? Or it could be a runner. There's quite a lot of use cases for Agile one, and being an industrial robot, so it will be able to think through things you would need to perhaps assemble a car or assemble other robots, so it would have details of tools that are found in the lab or in the manufacturing environment, which I think is a better approach to having it so that it's just specific for the environment. In saying that, though, people would push it. Myself, I would do it too. If I have it in the workshop or in the lab, I'll perhaps take it home and see what it would do. And because we always like to test it, that's what I would do and see what it can do. Anyway, this Agile one, would you use it? Would you avoid it? Do you think it's harmful in your workplace, or do you think it will aid in repetitive tasks for you? For me, I think anything to reduce strain on human or myself working here and there would be welcome. So anyway, the Agile one, I'll be using it if need be. So I think our game is still compiling the game, so we will let it finish, and I will come back and create. Oh, it has completed the game. So I'll come back and do another video where I will review the gameplay and see how it works. And until next time, until next time, I'll see you in the next video.